Looking for a high-capacity power system? Meet the L8 power bank shell designed for 818650 batteries, giving you full control over your own portable energy source.
To order this product, please check the first comment. Our website link is there. Click the link to place your order.
Let's take a look inside. The modular battery slots and high-quality circuit board make it incredibly easy to build, no soldering required. Just install and you're ready to go. Compact in size, yet powerful in performance. It easily fits in your bag while giving you the ability to charge multiple devices anytime, anywhere. With support for up to 8 batteries, you can reach high capacity depending on your setup, perfect for travel, outdoor use, or emergency backup. The precision LCD display shows your exact battery percentage in real time, so you always know how much power you have left. By the way, if you enjoy products like this, let us know what kind of product reviews you want to see. And don't forget to share this video with others. Safety matters. Always make sure your batteries are in good condition and properly aligned before installation. With dual USB outputs, micro USB, and Type-C input, you get fast and flexible charging options for all your devices. Plus, the built-in dual LED flashlight is perfect for low L.
For more new and exciting updates about amazing AliExpress deals, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Turn on the bell icon